Hello, my name is Bobby. I'm a customer success manager with ScriptRunner, and it is my pleasure to introduce to you ScriptRunner Connect. ScriptRunner Connect is an integration platform as a service. What this means is that as a standalone tool, we give you the ability to create connections to all of the pieces of software that you have in your business's software ecosystem and create complex and custom integrations and connections between those tools to solve your business problems. The way we do that is by offering you a number of unique features. First on the list is going to be the managed connection feature, where we give you the ability to connect to each of your tools using a managed connection wizard, which takes you through that process step by step, and then manage that connection for you going forward so you don't need to worry about refreshes or monitoring that connection as we handle it for you. Next, we have the workspace feature, which gives you the ability to create the solutions for your problems. Here, you're going to be adding your connections as well as other triggers and writing scripts to solve your problems and challenges in custom ways. Whilst writing scripts, you're going to be able to make use of our managed API, which takes the complexities of writing code to communicate with REST APIs away, giving you all of the features built into the editor to be able to access that API simply, quickly, and without the need to refer to external documentation or other notes. The fastest way to get set up with ScriptRunner Connect and to show you these features is by using the step-by-step wizard. So I'm going to select that here. I'm going to click Start. I'm going to create a step demo workspace and click Create. This is now going to take me to a workspace that is generated for me with a wizard to take me through the step-by-step instructions on how to set this particular workspace up. So first, we're going to be adding API connections. So API connections are APIs that we're going to be communicating with. So let's say, for example, I want to communicate with my Jira Cloud instance. All I need to do is select the plus button up here, choose Jira Cloud, and then select the connector I want to use. Now, I haven't created a connector yet, so I'm going to click Create New up here. I'm going to call this one Step Demo and select Authorize. And when I select Authorize, it begins the process of taking me through the step-by-step instructions on how to connect to the specific tool that I've selected. So for Jira Cloud, it takes me to the Atlassian API site. Here, I just confirm the URL that I want to connect to. Click Accept. This will then take me back to ScriptRunner Connect, where I confirm the URL, click Confirm, click Save. That connector is now created, saved, and is available for use across my entire instance. I can click Save here, and that API connection is now saved and set up. And we have now configured this workspace to communicate with Jira. Next, we're going to set up an event listener. This gives you the ability to trigger the scripts in your workspace. So let's say that our trigger is also from the Jira Cloud instance. All I need to do is click plus here, select Jira Cloud, define the event I'm going to be listening to. So let's say issue created, and then define the connection that I'm going to be using. So we can use, as you can see, the step demo connector we just created. Click Save, and then we get instructions on how to set this up in Jira Cloud as well, similar with the managed connector, taking you through that process step by step. And then finally, we're going to be creating a script. So if I select up here, we can see that a script has already been created from the event listener. So if I go into this script here, we can see we have a script ready available, ready for me to write and create my own custom scripts and solutions. I can also import that API connection using the import feature up here so that I can then make use of the managed API. Each of these features that I have mentioned have separate videos that you can find either on our YouTube channel or linked in the description below. But here you have a working workspace that is ready to be developed on and expanded to solve your integration challenges. Hopefully you found this useful and are now able to make the use of ScriptRunner Connect to create a more smarter, cohesive software ecosystem for your business. Thank you so much for your time and have a great rest of the day.